YouTubies, and welcome back to your girl Bianca Chanel XO channel. Yes, we in another nighty. I was making dinner tonight, so I was like, let me include my fellow YouTubies because tonight we are doing spaghetti and meatballs, vegan style, honey. So basically for this recipe, I'm keeping it kind of simple. You can mix or match or put whatever you would like in your own spaghetti, and I'm not using like my traditional noodles, spaghetti noodles. I have small panini this time, so I want to try something different. And if you don't want to use like actual pasta, you can use spaghetti squash. That'll also be awesomely good. But however you see fit or however you feel fit to do your recipe is how you can do your recipe. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients. We have the True Goodness. This is by Myers brand. I don't know if everybody has a Myers, but it's the hidden veggie small panini, and the noodles are made out of sweet corn, carrot, and squash pasta blend. And this is what this looks like. Again, I'm only using one box. I got 2 boxes today, but one box made all of this, honey, so that's more than enough for one person. So these are the noodles that I'm using today. This is my first time using them, and I tasted them. They're pretty good, and they kind of have like a sweeter taste to them because they have corn in it. They also have these too if you are looking for more protein. These have 7 grams to 14 grams per serving, which is a half a cup. So you can get protein from this, but they also have one that's strictly protein that you can get more protein from, that's also made out of vegetables. I have their marinara sauce. Again, this is the Meyer brand. This is the True Goodness by Meyer organic marinara sauce. I got 2 of these. I have my wonderful diced fire roasted tomatoes. Haven't tried these before, but said I want to try them in this recipe because I like to put extra tomatoes in with the sauce, and I also like to do the paste. So I got the organic tomato paste, also the Myers brand, and we will be using plant protein products in this. As far as my favorite, which is Gardein, I got the ultimate beef with ground beef. If you are transitioning over to becoming a vegan or curious about it and still want something that's like a meaty like consistency, I will go with the Gardein because it's pretty tasty, it's pretty good. And also I have the classic meatless meatballs as well. So we are putting 1 pack of these in there. I'm not going to put this full pack of this in here, it's a lot, so I'm probably just going to do half of the pack. So I've already started, and as you can see, I've already, well, can you see? As you can see, I've already cooked my meatballs in the oven, and I like to put them in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes because I don't want them to get too hard and crunchy. I want the right consistency, and I also cut them in half because they are very big. And we already, like I just showed y'all, we made our pasta, and this is what the small panini pasta looks like when it's done. And yes, there's water dripping all over my floor currently. So we are about to put this in. Well, we're not about to do it yet. We're about to do the sauce, and we're about to cook up the veggies because, like I said, I like to put a lot of veggies in mine. But today I'm just sticking with, we are going to put some mushrooms. I love some mushrooms. So you're about to put some mushrooms and zucchini. You can do broccoli, you can do onions, you can do carrots. I don't really care for carrots, but you can put whatever veggies that you want inside your spaghetti. Like I said, you can remix it as your own. So I'm about to start cooking this up. So let's get to the video. the leafless beef. And basically I'm just gonna season it like that. I season the rest of the stuff with a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and a little bit of pepper and Italian seasoning. So that's what we're about to cook now. Then next we'll start on our sauce, and then we'll add the noodles and the meatballs, and boom, there go dinner. Simple, easy, and quick. Like, spaghetti is so easy to make, so this vegan spaghetti is definitely easy to make. So let me finish cooking this zucchini, and then we'll move on to the beefless ground beef. All right. So now we're about to work on our sauce, and then we will be done with this meal. Like I said, you can make homemade sauce. I bought organic store-bought sauce because I ain't have all that time to be doing all that extra stuff. So it's gonna be really simple, and like I said, you can dress it up how you want. Put whatever size you want. If you want a side salad when you eat it, whatever. It's just a quick, easy vegan meal that I love to eat every now and then. So let's finish the recipe. Right now, like I said, I'm about to do the sauce, so I'm about to add the marinara, the diced tomatoes, the roasted, fire roasted ones, and the tomato paste in one pot. And then we are going to add our meats, and well, then we are going to add our veggies, and then we are going to go from there, and we should be done. So let's get into it. You guys, that's how you make my vegan spaghetti. So let's dig in and give it a whirl and see how we like it. Really good. Really good. I feel zucchini. I'm here for the zucchini. But like I said, y'all can dress it up, put whatever ingredients. If y'all don't want to put no quote unquote meat replacements in it, you can just do veggies. You can just do your own little style or however you want. But everybody knows how to make spaghetti. Spaghetti is so easy to make. But this is my vegan friendly panini pasta, veggie pasta spaghetti. So hopefully you guys like this video. so good, y'all. I will not lie. I'm liking it with the panini noodles. I'm not gonna lie. So, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, honey, for more videos like these. You know, that's it for vegan eats, honey. I can't stop eating it. I'm hungry. Now these tomatoes in here, lovely. Oh, lovely. Honey, I'm here for this whole thing of pasta, sweetie. And am I the only one that like pasta like the day after it's cooked when all the flavors like settle in? Best time. Who else listens to jazz when they cook? I love my jazz. Who else put sugar in spaghetti? I do. That's the only way. You don't need a lot. A little bit. It'll make that spaghetti fire. Bon appetit. You want to see them dishes? I like to clean as I go. But you can't do that when you record, honey. I know my lighting is terrible. Y'all don't have to tell me. Y'all don't have to tell me my lighting is terrible. But honey. Jazz music is just so sexy.